Be me.
Everyone needs to survive. Everyone needs to survive for the strategy I have.
If you ever feel scared and worried, just say that chant. Maybe be me. Oh no, I hate you. Ah! He's definitely dead.
Excuse me! Guys, Bracken. How do we spawn white in front of me? Oh wait, I have some more items. I have some more items.
Grab all these.
We did it! Oh my!
His sacrifice was not. It was not bad.
Somehow we only made it with one casualty. That's crazy. Let's go. We're going to Artifice, guys.
I feel like this move is gonna be really hard. Just crazy thought.
How do you think this move is on clips?
Me.
This isn't a time to dance. It's Eclipse. What are we gonna do?
We clutched up on Eclipse Titan. I bet we can clutch up on an Eclipse map that we've never done before.
We've done Eclipse Titan though. That's the thing.
We can clutch up on a map that we've never played on before.
Well,
We must thinking music time.
try it a few times. How about that?
Sick.
Old birds. I just realized old birds on this map.
It's funny. Whoa. Oh guys, that's a mech right there.
I realized old birds are on this map. Not active yet. It's gonna activate soon though.
Are there no dogs?
I think it's just old birds.
That is menacing.
There's a door there.
You gotta be careful.
Giant, right behind you. He's in the
I
building.
think it's technically inside. I think it's inside.
Oh. Okay, gamers, let's clutch. Oh. Why is there only one entrance? That's weird.
That's weird. There probably is a very confused door it is. I think she's slick.
No, there's like no paths. Oh.
Oh, there's so much. We found the jackpot.
This is the best one.
I see a light room over here. I'm gonna go check this out real quick. Oh, it's locked. You got a key now?
No.
No.
No,
The
no,
robot.
Should have gotten
61.
lost quicker, probably.
We take the stuff back to main entrance.
Hello
real quick,
there.
or-
Yeah.
Is there
a lot of
anything over
enemies are
here?
spawning. I mean, that could have been the Butler somehow.
Spider.
Oh!
That didn't sound good. Run! Help me, help.
Oh no, help me.
Where are we supposed to go?
No, don't MC.
You're good, you're good.
Wait,
No, don't MC you.
Old bird, old bird. I think we can go back inside.
You can grab your stuff back.
Man, I don't like this map anymore.
There's a giant, just step back and I'll throw it.
Bird is near the main part, so where's he going? He's trying to. Oh, never mind. Okay.
He's just a little slower than us. Wait,
The bird,
I don't
the
have a free
bird's,
inventory space.
the bird's on its way, I think.
He apparently has a free inventory space. That's crazy.
I don't think
It's a
the bird
beehive.
likes us being here.
I don't really think beehives are worth that, honestly, on this map.
Okay, I don't see the old bird, thankfully.
Yeah.
Inside of that room, I'm pretty sure.
So heavy. Oh, guys.
He went inside
Make
that
your move.
building.
Go. Make your move.
2 old birds.
I feel like they're
People
shooting
outside.
at something.
They're both distracted.
They're on me! They're on me! No! Dodge. What is it? Help me. Is that a crying baby? It's just a little baby. It's just a little baby.
I dropped my arm, but I barely made it. I made it out with my life.
I dropped all my stuff. Should we go back?
Let's wait for it to move. Wait for it to move.
Guys, that's what it meant in the opening cutscene. Do you get it now? In the opening cutscene when there's crying. Nothing to see here, officer. Nothing to see here. Be me, me be. What was that? Oh my. You know what this? That feels better. Oh yeah. Yeah. They can make it. Oh yeah. You bet. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. They can survive. Oh yeah. We're safe. Oh yeah. The birds don't got anything on us. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Well, those old birds can't get us. We're gonna win this game. Come on. Run. Those old birds don't ain't got nothing on us. Old birds. Well. To the ship. Oh. He got old birded. Come back quick.
Wait, tell me if you can.
Oh.
Tell me if you ever. I'm gonna see if I can find this loot at all. I'm gonna take a quick look.
The ship's gonna leave in an hour, so be quick.
Yeah, I'll be quick.
What? That's crazy. There's one right by the ship.
Yeah, you're right. Where's he
Yeah,
going?
just
I don't know which way he's on.
cut our losses. He's gone. Go.
I got the
did it.
Just save it.
A
Dude, you know what's
clip.
crazy? We have all the items we've dropped. Oh yeah. going?
That wasn't bad for Eclipse.
That's true, actually. Oh.
Oh, hi.
Fred. I'm naming this goldfish Fred.
By the way,
Fred.
it's flooded.
It's Fred.
You know what? What I
Evolve.
What the heck? Friends, I mean, Embrya, I mean...
Ladder, guys. I have an idea. I feel like ladders might be overpowered on this map for one reason. I'll see you guys there. We just did this.
I think that's out of bounds. Crazy thought. Wait, it's not? How do I get back? Help! Help! Ah!
Such a dead end.
Any items now? I don't know. I really know.
Spider! Oh. Guys? Hey, buddy. We're good, right? Deactivated. Oh no. Sir, I've just tried to take my groceries home. Just my groceries, sir. I'm not stealing anything. This place is abandoned and you're not even inside. Bird. Oh, see, he's comboing right now. We're fine. It's fine, guys. You really didn't like those boon hops. Wow. Bro, it's just a game. Chill. Sir, I just need my groceries. Sir, it's just groceries. It's just groceries. Oh, sir. But if you think I can somehow clutch up, it is 8 o'clock. Whoa, sir, it's just groceries. What are you doing?
What the?
Think this is just lore?
Fire exit, because you said you found it. You said you
It's
found
like
it.
on the side of
what the heck?
the building. Oh yeah, you can close the doors.
Crazy.
So if Old Bird is chasing us all or something, then we could probably like hide. I think
Wait,
I'm
actually put up a
actually
ladder?
right this time. No, guys. Oh, guys, there's loot over here. Whoa, there, buddy. Whoa!
I feel like he's dead. By the way, there is a rack.
Butler.
Jump.
No, I'm going to large room. We have on that.
He's right over there. Oh my.
Rack can get mad.
What? Run! No! He's right behind you! No! Get out of there! No! Wait, no way! Did it clutch up?
No, that's me! No!
No!
I see his out.
Bro, there's one in that building right there.
There's no
Where is it?
There's one that's right behind you.
Get ready to run out. 2. Oh, we didn't know it. Ah, you want to see something crazy? Come over here. You want to see something crazy? Come down here.
good.
Hey, if you wanna see
There's
something
so
crazy,
much loot up here.
walk here and now look inside. Look inside.
Party! What? What? Oh, what?
How do you die?
Oh, turret.
So it takes up someone's damage. There's a hole or you're
I was gonna get the
I will
stuff.
not Boy, I said this doesn't even seem like a bad map to be flooded.
chill.
Is it because it's so,
Yeah, by the way, there's another bird, like,
no, oh my, close the door! Really said cry about it. Door. Honestly forget to. Oh wait, there's one clip into that building? Leave.
I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna pull it.
This place looks pretty sick. Bathtub. Hello there. Use the building. Ooh, wheelchair. Heck yeah. Does that make carrying stuff faster? Oh, I can't even go on it. Okay, the door is not closed. That means no old bird. Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to, sir. I didn't know it was offensive because of your culture. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. It's okay, guys. I play Undertale games. I know how to dodge crazy attacks. I still have my pickles. Go for him! Go for him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Yeah! Oh my cinematic! Flamethrow him! Flamethrow him! Hey, it's just a game. Hey, I'm on your side, old bird. Oh, hi.
Hey, tell me if I don't make it back in time.
Okay. The old birds. Oh, did he see? Did he see? Alright.
How much time do I have?
Not very much.
I believe.
No, what are you doing?
Move my shovel up. I kind of say get my shovel back. Bye bye.
Butler.
No, I
Get this. No. Okay, this is what happened. So I got hit into down the critical by the thumper. Everyone answered. Thumper attack. Best map for like weather.
I have to do something real quick. I'll be back. That was windy out there.
I'm okay with using one. Turn off the light.
Bro, there are so many landmines
okay
down there.
Sorry.
I don't think the staircases see that many items. Cash register.
I think we go.
Yeah, cash
Yeah,
register.
there's nothing in here.
Okay, yeah, let's head
There's
back.
nothing we can do.
It should be like 2 o'clock right now, so we should have.
Did I just step on a landmine? I just barely missed that landmine.
Yeah, look where you're going. There's a lot of landmines. Be careful.
I can't see much of
Also-
anything since I have cash register.
It's
Oh my, 717. If we take all this stuff back, we're gonna be rich.
inside. Got
Guys,
this side, remember?
guys.
Stuff inside here.
Oh, guys, one right there.
Right where? Oh.
ask?
Why
Why is there a giant?
are
Is
there
everything after me?
two? You want to know why there's two of them? Well. Shoot him! Knock him dead. I don't have a good feeling about this one. I feel like they can clutch up, but, oh, no! No! Ouch!
It's okay.
I got a perfume bottle, it's okay.
Dubs. Actually huge. What do we?
Ah, no!
It's a good idea, but I want to kill something first.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Gonna
yes!
end up kill him?
I want to kill you! No, no.
What?
No, I-
He tanked that!
He tanked.
You're so bad!
Run! No!
Ow!
Easter egg! Easter egg!
My toy.
My lord. What?
I can let you guys have some fun now.
Y'all
No,
have a
no, no,
shotgun.
guys, I don't need this shotgun, you know why?
Oh.
Look.
He's got the shovel. He's got pure.
No.
Oh.
My torn. I will shoot you. I will. Call me American. Hey! Get out of here! Oh, wait!
No, no, no.
I almost died. My bad, guys. My bad. My bad. No, wait, there's another one! Get out. I know you. But that's sincerely what I thought. Hey, get out of here! I know you're not noise mechanic thing, but Elriz, Elbozo, no, oh my, there's a old bird right next to this shit. Go away! Oh. No! What?
Could it be you? Or is he? Wait, there's a giant. He might be fighting the giant.
Hopefully.
Oh, he's going for something. There's two of them. Oh, they saw him.
Whoa! It's just a game. It's just a game. It's just a game, buddy. How why'd you spawn on me? I mean. Yeah.
And there's a masked.
You go. You go.
I'm gonna risk it. Okay.
So, how was your day? Bracken. You really think you're slick? How do you think you're gonna sneak up on me, bro? Don't kill me while I'm changing my mic, please. Alright, so Mr. Coilhead. I have a proposition. No! No, no! How am I gonna get back? How am I actually gonna get back? No! No! Oh!
He's over here. I've hit that the entire time.
Found him. Guys, I found him.
Need to get the air shotgun somehow. How is he so fast?
Oh my gosh.
I don't think that works.
I gotta go drop off my sister since she's so insistent on being that.
Okay, I might be gone by the time you get
Why
back.
you
So
fight him?
good game. Har. I don't think that's 3 something. Har! I left! Alex is gonna clutch up.
This is revenge! How dare you? That's when I say nuh-uh and I'm leaving. He'll probably be done, but
There's a map. No, that's the big box.
are you want me?
No! Gotta learn a secret handshake. Then he won't kill you. Thought I saw. Whoa there, buddy. It's just a game. Oh, that's cool too. Did you kill something? Oh, ain't no way. So, let me get this straight. Whoa! Bro, get away! It's not. Is he immune? Oh wait, he's not. He's not. Where's? Come at me. Are the bees killable? I don't know if they are. It's just a...
There's a painting.
Whoa, there he is. Come over to this corner right here, heads. Oh, there's another one? Oh, friend. We got the coil club over here. I think I can see both of them right now. That's crazy. Whoopee cushion coming in clutch for comedic relief. Butler. If we have to make a mad dash to leave, no, buddy. Hey. It's literally just a game. It's actually just a game. Why are you trying to sweep? Are you calling me dirty or something? That's a little... Come on, bro. What is that supposed to mean? Ow!
Holy sold us.
That was
crazy. Found like amazing loot. We just...
Oh, I got this.
Oh, you know what I think? I know how the lights work. It's not as simple as it was.
No way.
There's lights on the map.
If I just randomly flip them here and there. Whatever. I'm gonna get some loot. No thanks. Bro, he's gonna FNAF murder mystery me. I'll actually take this stuff, sir, and leave. Hey, what if I fought you one-on-one? I was actually just kidding. Oh, Maybe not. Oh, wait. No, no, no! No! You good?
That's an amazing spot for the old bird, actually.
I heard the old bird and I was like, uh-oh.
Who even gonna get blood died? Oh, no, no!
Is he angry?
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Ain't no way, bro.
We just need to distance him.
Excuse you. He can't. If I can't see him, he can't see me. He can't see me, right? It's okay, guys. I'm an Undertale fan. I can dodge this. Oh yeah. You can't see me from over here, right? Sir? Sir! I don't think that works. Like, you can't clutch up. Oh, he's dead. Oh, no.
Oh, that's crazy.
No. That's so sad.
Crazy. Guess. I know. No.
What?
Small problem.
Okay.
Died.
Fine, reset.
Oh, yeah,
Oh no, don't shoot me, don't shoot. Ah!
Bring it back on. 8. 9.
Wait, did you hear my explanation? He didn't even hear my explanation.
I didn't hear.
I already found 2 gold bars. Like a bunch of gold jumps and stuff. Like heroes. Just came alive. Just came alive.
Get in and close the door. He still got in. Run. Oh, wait.
Try to go back to the ship and
I mean it.
That's nice.
I'm safe! Yeah, you can have
Just in case.
finishing watching it.
So you were so close. Oh. No. Oh no. That's the end. This is the end. Oh.
No!
Alright,
I got stun grenades
GG.
away.
Yeah. Alright, I'm maxed out of inventory. I guess we don't peek, it's... Up that for now, we'll come back for it. Shotgun! Over here. I've really learned about this map from playing with both of you. You see why I told you to go in here? was not shooting us originally, but.
Better. Go.
Go, go, go. I'm not going inside.
Me. We live. How to sleep. Good enough.
Right as I was getting this rest of the stuff at fire exit, I heard the gesture about to kill me. So,
Oh,
pretty sure that's-
952. Not bad. Almost 1,000.
you know what's funny? Still worse than our best duo yet. I think old birds are annoying.
What is happened about that? No, don't jump off! Oh,
He's actually the biggest player. It's too late.
Worse!
Wait.
Oh! Wait. No! Yes!
You almost threw so hard.
That's how I feel. Where? I'm not making it out of this alive. Oh, that was fun. Yes! Oh. Players don't. I think Butler's I killed him! There's oh, no! There's, I feel like there's, yeah, stay focused on there's not, excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. That's I feel like he's no way! It's the wrong way. Get in the shed! Are be getting teamed on by funny yeah. Don't make me use mine. He might have gotten I might catch up. Oh. Okay.